Hi everybody, this is Dan with Travel Like a Champ. It's video number 2, December 16, 2003. And today we're going to do a little drive on New York Highway 20. And as we're driving, we're going to go over a couple facts and some fun things about the history of the highway and some things to look for, and even maybe some things to enjoy as well. So let's get it started. Now, New York Highway 20, which also hooks into the U.S. Route 20, is one of the longest highways in the United States, spanning over 3,000 miles from coast to coast, beginning in Boston and going all the way over to the other side of the country. Today, we're going to be traveling on the New York piece of US 20, where we're starting in the Albany side and traveling westward. Another good aspect about traveling this road, especially in the fall time of year, is the fall foliage. Obvious now, if it being winter, all the leaves are down. But during that time of year, it is a great spot, especially in the Albany area, traveling westward, to enjoy some of the fall foliage in September, October. Some historical facts here is historic Route 20 is rich in history and has been an important Native American trail and major route for early settlers. The New York portion of the highway passes through picturesque countryside, charming small towns, historical landmarks, and offers scenic views and relaxed driving experience. It's another great experience about driving on this road is it's a pretty much straight run. So it makes it very easy to drive, and definitely relaxing drive that to see different aspects of what New York has to offer. Up here on the right, you have the Altamont orchards. During fall, it's very fun with all the apple orchards, Altamont being one of them, or Indian Ladder, where they offer great donuts, apples, and a larger variety of other things during that time of year. So it's definitely a great time of year to be up here in the fall. In many sections, Highway 20 runs parallel to the Erie Canal. The Erie Canal is a historic waterway that played a significant role in the state's development and the economy. areas in New York, including Albany, Schenectady, Madison, and some other areas where it showcases diverse landscapes and the local cultures as well. Different parts of the town, you'll see different, businesses, local restaurants, and obviously some, as you see on the left, gas stations. So there's a lot of different aspects where you can obviously fill up your car, enjoy places to eat, and enjoy the ride. This, another fun fact is that it's part of the New York Brewery Trail. This is where it connects beer enthusiasts to breweries and tap rooms that are scattered along this route, providing a flavorful journey for travelers. Offers different aspects. So there's a storage facility here, some manufacturing, some churches. Another thing it offers is that there's an antique trail as well. It's part of so not only is it part of the New York State Brewery Trail, it is also part of the Antique Trail. This features antique shops, flea markets, vintage stores, catering to collectors and history buffs as well. As I mentioned previously, there are several farms on this road that stretches from, like I said, Albany all the way through western New York. So there's showcases farms and agricultural landscapes, which showcases New York State's diverse farming industry, from dairy farms to vineyards. So I think that's another aspect that people think of, that don't really necessarily think of with New York, is that we don't have vineyards. Not only do we have them here, you have them in other parts of the state in Oneonta, where they make wine out there. So it's not just farms. They do have grape farms for making wine, and then also apple farms as well. Highway 20 intersects regions with diverse cultural influences, reflecting local cuisine, festivals, and traditions that are found along the path. Currently, we're traveling along 20. We were in Dwaynesburg character and attractions as well. So it's always nice to stop into some of these small towns, bring some local tourists to there, or local economic aspects to that, to support these towns, because it takes us all to do that. And it's a fun aspect about this route, or this road, is that it passes through many of them. It also has some bigger attractions that provides access to, including Cooperstown, which home to the Baseball Hall of Fame, Howe Caverns, and Glimmerglass State Park. So it's not just a small aspect. There's some more bigger known tourist attractions that people can go to and enjoy with their families. So, very important. Another great fun aspect about traveling on this road, not only here but also in other parts of the state, is that it offers opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and boating at nearby parks and recreation areas. As you can see, when we're traveling on this road, there's a lot of up and down. So we're going up and down through the topography of this great state, and a lot of opportunities out there to enjoy aspects outside of the car. So take the family for a walk, a hike, enjoy the waterways, whether it's rivers, lakes, or ponds, and just a great aspect to take your family. Mentioned before, big aspect is the fall foliage. So I think it's important that reiterate that again. It's a big, nice time of year. You see very, very vibrant colors, from reds to yellows to oranges. Obviously, things changing from green before winter comes, and it's a great place to be around and enjoy the local activities as well. That's noted is with the local communities that are along this Highway 20 is they have various farmer markets, art fairs, and historical reenactments, inviting travelers to immerse themselves in the local culture. Quite see in the video, but in the background you can see the part of the topography in the mountains as we crest over this hill here, and you're always surrounded, especially on this road, by hills, valleys, and mountains as well to enjoy. So it's definitely a fun thing to do with the family, and I think it would be great folks. This is Dan with Travel Like a Champ on December 16th, 2023. I really hoped you were learning about the fun facts of New York Highway 20, or Route 20 as we call it, us locals call it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye now.